Good morning.
Sir, our first question will come from Ms. Catherine Valiente from Manila Times.
Yes, good morning. Good morning, Mr. President.
Yes.
What is your position on the plan of the International Criminal Court to investigate former President Rodrigo Duterte over his war on drugs?
My position hasn't changed, and I have stated it often, even before I took office as president, that there are many questions about their jurisdiction and what we in the Philippines regard as an intrusion into our internal matters and a threat to our sovereignty. So, no, I do not see what their jurisdiction is. I feel that we have in our police and in our judiciary a good system. We do not need assistance from any outside entity. The Philippines is a sovereign nation, and we are not colonies anymore of these former imperialists. So that is not something that we consider to be a legitimate judgment. So until those questions of jurisdiction and the effects on the sovereignty of the Republic are sufficiently answered, I cannot cooperate with them.
Thank you,
sir.
Mr. President.